Good morning, David here, weekly week look today, Friday 8th of April, 6:45 morning, pre-market open, looking as usual the May contract UK wheat, and as always we start with a monthly contract, and you can see that in front of us here. Obviously March was sort of a non-entity month, almost. See that small spinning top candle, small range, failed to break through this swing low here back of September last year at 106. And obviously we're starting a new month here, and we have got green showing on a monthly basis, but obviously we need to close above this 106. It looks as though the low of £100 was tested and held at the moment, but obviously we want to see the breaking of the highs of March. Go down into the weekly, and you can see on the weekly here we've had, now this is the third week of rising market, and obviously we're hitting ahead against this swing low here at 106. Obviously breaking through this level, if we did get a close above it on the weekly basis, our first target would be here at 109, and then we'd be looking at 124. Pop down into the daily chart, and you can see here, it's more in the center here. Here we are, and you can see here that we've obviously this 106 here, swing low here, which was identified here on the monthly, and here we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sort of sideways action candles, but green in an up move, holding just above this 106. Obviously on here, if we break through this 106, this first target, as previously on the weekly chart, we're looking at 109. Sort of 110 is an indication. Pop down to the 4-hour, and I've managed to draw on here a channel in place now. Obviously after this sideways action as we had all the way through March, obviously you can clearly see here this up move now as we get into April, but obviously what's happening here is we're hitting our head down against this resistance here of 106. We failed 29th of March, and obviously we failed to break through the 6th of April 3 days ago, and we're now looking at to close last night 106.20, just dead against it. Obviously if we see a weekly or daily close above this, then obviously this opens door at 108. Obviously on the downsides we've got support coming in here a lot about this last swing low of 104. I can sort of see now forming reverse head and shoulders on this 4-hour chart here. You can see here you've got the left shoulder here, the head, and we are forming a sort of right shoulder here. Whether that is enough here to say that this 102 or this 103 is sort of the right shoulder, and then obviously we would look for a break here of 107, 108, which would then open up the distance which we travel down on this neckline here, which would then open the target 113. So it does look as though we're forming some kind of basing pattern at the present moment, but obviously we need this to close above 106 to sort of get the move going. And looking on the, here we are on the daily chart with the moving average on. Obviously over the last 2-3 years we've identified the 60 SMA as a key level, and you can see how we're coming back to that mean at the moment, 106.83, and we closed last night 106.30. We have got a 10 and 30 crossing up at the present moment. Volume is nothing sort of major to speak about. On the RSI we are just heading over the 50, so I would like to see that sort of 683 tested, and then obviously get a breakthrough on that on the 60-day moving average as well. So obviously I'll keep an eye on this. That's what we're looking for if we get a break above the 106, and I'll put up